Hi everybody, I'm Dave, and today we're taking a look at this trail cam from Wosports. This is the H41 model, which I just picked up recently because it's a nice budget-friendly camera, and it was on sale for like 47% off at the time. It may still be. I'll have a link in the description. But anyway, I'm going to do a quick unboxing, show you a little bit more about this camera, tell you a little bit more about it, and then put it out and see what kind of footage we can get, day and night footage. It's a 1080p camera. It's got a very simple menu interface, which I'll show you guys how you set it up and stuff, but it's just got a little tiny thing here. Came with the batteries and a 32 gigabyte card. So I like the look of it. This will blend in really good with especially with all the maple trees we have here. The gray color would match the bark really nice. So I like that. It's got low glow LED infrared lights, and it's it's nice. It comes with a strap. There is no tripod mount. That's kind of a negative, but it does come with a strap, and the strap slots back here. And it's just kind of a cool looking little thing, and it runs on the 4 AA's, which, like I said, came with it. Anyway, let's get into it. I'll do a quick unboxing for you guys and then show you a little bit about that menu, and then we'll get into the footage. Okay, and here it is. It's the H41 model, Wosports. Let's take a look. Show you exactly how it comes, what it comes with. User's guide. We got another little box down here. So we have an empty card case, so I'm guessing that there's a card inside the camera. Got a nice strap. And this is nice, they even give us the AA batteries in their Duracells. And the card reader. So very nice. So we'll get these batteries in it. Let's take a look at the camera itself. This is kind of a different looking camera. It is pretty small, but it's tall. First thing I want to do, since I got a camera recently with no menu, okay, yeah, there's a little screen up here, and there is a menu. So we get this, get these batteries in, and program this thing and put it out, and let's see what we get. Okay, so I'm setting the time till we want to go to 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock now. So let's do this. We'll go to 1 o'clock. Okay, so it's in military time, so it's 1300, and that's correct. So we're going to say okay. Okay. And that's the correct date. So we'll just say okay, and that's the correct date. And now you can see it's flashing camera, and we'll hit that. Oh, I went past it, so I got to go back again. So we want to go to the camera is blinking again, because we want to put it in video camera. So we're going to push the up or down button. So we got the video camera now. We're going to push OK. So I'm not sure about the rest of the settings as far as how long it's going to record video or anything. There is the switch over here is off and on, and in the middle is, they refer to it as the aim position. Some cameras call it the test position, but that's where you're going to be in the middle. There is where you want to make the changes with the menu. And then when everything is all set, you just go back until it's showing the time and the camera. And now it's all set, so when we're ready to go, we'll just turn that on. For now, I'm not going to set it up right now, so I'm going to just turn it off. And it should remember everything the way I have it set up. Okay, so I got some fresh water here, and I've got some peanuts that I'm going to put out here. So we'll see who comes for the peanuts. Here's my usual group of crows. They're usually the first to the party. So this raccoon got lucky and found the peanuts, and he's all by himself tonight. Sometimes there's 4 or 5 of them. I think this night footage looks really nice. And here's the little fox that usually comes by. Again, the night footage is looking really nice. The infrared lights work really well, triggers really well. And here's the bear. I've been seeing a lot of this guy lately. He was right outside my back door the other morning. And here's Eddie, and he'll show you how good the audio is. So I'm liking this little camera. The battery life has been very good. So far I've had a few nights out and it's still going. I think the daytime footage looks decent, and I like the nighttime footage even a little better than the daytime footage. The infrared's nice. It doesn't spook the animals. So I think this is a very nice, simple, entry-level budget trail cam from Wosport. It does have some drawbacks with the menu being very limited. There's no time lapse. There's no other resolutions available. You can't choose how long you want the clips to be. You can't choose how many photos it will take. So it's very limited, but that also makes it very simple and easy to use. And you only have to use 4 AA batteries, which is nice. Most of these cameras take 8. So I think it's really nice if you want something very inexpensive, or it's as an entry-level camera, or just one that you want to, not have to worry about if something happens to, because the cost is not too great. So that's my thoughts on this little camera from Wosports, the H41. I hope the review was helpful, and I will catch you again soon. Bye-bye.